Hello guys, today's video is about an electric moped, Smart. When you go out with your Smart, you can recharge your phone using the onboard USB port. Hydraulic suspension provides the rider with a smoother, more controlled ride. LED headlight allow you to drive safely at night. The high-speed brushless hub motor can help you conquer most rugged terrains easily. We are gonna take it for a ride. Unlike a small bicycle saddle, you got a nice big plush seat. There are even fold-out foot pegs and enough room on the seat, so you can bring a passenger. No license required, you can drive it all around where you live, cause it's considered an electric bicycle. By the way, customization service is available. If you guys interested in this model, please leave a message in the comments or email us directly.